Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about if the volume button of the device is not working, how you can solve this in your device Samsung Galaxy A33 and A33 5G. Before starting, if you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If the volume button of the device is not working, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the volume button issue in your device Samsung Galaxy A33. Let's watch the video.